Hello, it's Jennifer from heysealemon. Today I feel like decorating, drawing, painting on a book cover because it's such a blank canvas and I've had this book laying around. I got it from MUJI a while ago. You may remember that video. I will put it right here. But it's a really nice book. Like the pages on the inside are really nice and I want to use it and I want to somehow add something to the cover. And so I didn't know what to do, so I asked you guys what I should put on it. And you guys came back with so many good replies that I couldn't pick one, so I'm just gonna wing it and put a little bit of everything on this book cover. I honestly don't know what this is going to look like, so stick around till the end of this video and see what this turns out to be. And hit that like button if you want to see more improvised kind of art videos like this. I first made a rough sketch after listing some of your suggestions, and I thought something doodly would work. And I started to think that this looks like my 1-year doodle challenge book, which is okay. Maybe I'll just do like a different version of this cover. It was really fun to make. By the way, this is sold out, so I'm sorry about that, but if you haven't seen it, here it is. I also made a video about it if you want to check it out, about the process of making it. I'm going with some neon fabric paint, which yes, you can use fabric paint on paper projects. It's actually a little bit stronger than your average acrylic paint. Because it has to stay on clothes and get through washes. So just a little tip if you didn't know that. But I think it does take a little bit longer to dry. So I'm just dry brushing this on. Not really any plan here, just want to make it rough. I'm going for unrefined here. I like the painterly, handmade kind of loose look. I didn't do too much on the back. I put a little bit of paint left over from the front cover. And after I let it dry, I am ready to do my doodles. I originally wanted to use my Posca, is that how you say it? Pens, but they were all in fine point and I wanted a thick marker. So the thickest I have right now is this flat tip or chisel tip Sharpie. And I'm just gonna go for it. I have my rough sketch, but I'm not laying any pencil down, and this is the most anxiety part of any art process where I don't sketch something first. Once I get going, then I feel way more comfortable. And here is the first thing that you guys suggested, a moon. And adding a donut in the corner. Can't go wrong with doodling a donut, right? And there were a lot of requests for Kona, so I am drawing her ears, which are always popping up. That's how I can spot her where she is. I can see her ears sticking up somewhere. This is a lot like a previous drawing I did of her in a project. I think it was a phone case. Let me know if you remember that video. I'll put it up here. Crystals, which is kind of like gemstones, which I also have a video for. If you haven't seen that, I have a doodle challenge for gemstones. Go check it out. I'll link it down below. 80s retro was an interesting suggestion. So right away I think of Memphis kind of patterns with the triangles and the noodle kind of shapes. I call them noodle, macaroni, some zigzags. And pizza or space pizza was suggested. So the pizza is kind of near the moon, which kind of makes it a space pizza. And now some autumn vibes, because a lot of you suggested leaves, which is totally appropriate for fall right now. Adding a random avocado. And a little slice of lemon behind the donut, which was also really highly requested. A monarch butterfly, which I left a small space for in this corner of the book. I kind of wanted these shapes to form a butterfly shape. Because this is so random, I like it when different pieces kind of morph into different things. And then filling in the space with more leaves. I then thickened some of the line weights, which I don't know if I should have done, but this is permanent marker, so no going back now. And a pattern of some sort, which kind of goes with the 80s theme area over here. A lot of the retro 80s stuff have like a grid behind it, so that's what I'm going for, using my paper as a ruler. And topping off the night sky with some stars or star-like shapes, circles that resemble stars. You guys also asked for a galaxy, so this kind of works for that. And I ended up filling in the butterfly wing with the black. And here is my final outcome of the book cover. Sometimes it's just fun to go for it without any sketch on your project and improvise and explore as you go along. I think doodling is great for that because it's not an exact drawing per se, it's more of just kind of letting your mind wander. And the subject matter may be all over the place like my book cover, but I think that's cool and it's fun to do. Thanks again for sharing your ideas on what I should put on this book cover, and if you have any suggestions on how to fill it, what I should put on the inside of the pages, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. You can jump into another video right here, and I also have a bunch of art supply reviews and art-related content on my channel. Go check it out, browse through, see if there's something you like, and if you want to support more content on this channel, I will put links to my Patreon and YouTube memberships all in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!